Hello everyone, this is Chakra Wanda. I am the owner of Crochet and Microloc Elegance, and I am here to share with you my experience with the Weave Buddy. I specialize in crochet braid installs, crochet for hair loss, as well as microloc installs. Over the last 8 years, I've always had alopecia clients. I use the traditional netting method, whether it was a net cap or a sheet. But there was always this area that would get loose, over time, until I came across the Weave Buddy. I was sharing it with all of my clients, and one of them back in May of this year, 2021, went ahead and bought it, and she allowed me to do it before, during, and after.
Itself is light, it's not tight or heavy, surprisingly.
I posted that, and the calls have not stopped because of the increase of inquiries. I am now in my own private suite. I was just telling Miss Kathy the other day. So the Weave Buddy is a game changer. You've been coming to me since when?
2018.
Okay. And we're using the Weave Buddy now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Started off with netting.
And we started with basic netting. Mm-hmm. What was the experience with that?
It was cool, but it didn't give you a good hairline.
Yeah.
Front hairline.
Because it would lift up at the time, right? Mm-hmm. And then I started talking to you about the Weave Buddy, and we went with it. Mm-hmm. And, it's been a minute, right?
Yeah.
Like almost a couple of years. Hello there, this is Wanda with Crochet and Microloc Elegance. Did you know that 54% of African American women have hair loss? And there seems to be limited options, but there are more options than you think. Only if you are open. And here's my lady again. At Crochet and Microloc Elegance, for the last 9 years, I've been using Deca Plus, a scientifically detoxifying cleansing system. A consultation is where you get to understand what's possible for you. For the services that I offer at Crochet and Microloc Elegance, the foundation is scalp treatment. I primarily use the Deca Plus line for the last, since 2014. Nurturing of the scalp is so important, but understanding patience and consistency is key. So finding a stylist that will have the patience, consistency, and encourage you. So here you see a client enjoying a stimulating scalp massage at the shampoo bowl. Here's another client who experienced results from consistency with using the Deca Plus pomade. She originally had hair loss at her temple areas on the crown, but from working with the product and patience and consistency, there was restoration that occurred for her in her temple areas. To see what's possible for you, schedule a consultation with Miss Wanda. Thank you for watching.